guys, hi guys, my name is Dax. I'm here with my dad.
What's up, y'all?
Today we're gonna duct tape. Let's see who wins.
So we got...
Always be safety. Never ever do this at home. So warning, if you get small-handed beggar, you will hurt yourself.
So we got this kind of tape, clear tape.
Can I do
And
it?
Dax wants to see what happens if you staple it. You can hold it if you'd like.
3.
Make sure the camera can see.
Okay, 3.
Can't see. There we go. Alright. There. 3, 2, 1.
Oh man. Okay, so the tape is stapling. I think the staple wins because it's liquid.
Can you show them?
Yep, this.
What do you mean it's liquid, huh?
Because liquid does work for this.
It's not liquid.
What is it?
Stapler is made out of plastic and metal.
Yeah.
And this is made, it's tape. It's like nylon or something, I don't know.
Yep. So, I think the stapler wins.
Yeah, the stapler wins.
Not the tape.
And we always want to be careful that we don't staple our fingers.
Yeah, it'll hurt the welly bad.
You have to go to the ER, emergency room.
Like this.
Doctor. You don't want to go to the doctor, do you?
Yeah. And
You don't want to go to the doctor, do you?
Yeah.
You don't want to go to the doctor, do you?
Okay, so... Okay,
Hey, yes or no? Do you want to go to the doctor?
No!
Then you be careful, right?
Yeah.
Righto.
You want to go to the doctor?
No.
Always be careful of these.
Watch this, look. Watch. Stay still. Keep your head real still. Watch. Watch. Oops. Does it look like I was picking your nose? Watch. Stay still. No. Go back a little. Just go back. Stay still.
Hey guys. What happens if you staple your eyes, Dad?
Oh. You might lose your eyeball. You go blind.
Okay, so always be careful. If you get this, the blood will come out.
Yeah, we don't want blood. Blood's supposed to stay inside our body.
Yeah, not outside.
So anyway, guys, that's about the way the cookie goes.
Okay.
Oh wait, open it back up. I'll show you something.
Yeah, I just want to see this trick. Yeah, this is a life hack of it. This is a life hack.
Life hack.
Alright. So, let's staple this. Okay.
Oh, so you want to show them this, huh?
Whoa, crap!
Well, this is not going to work. We're going to break our stapler if we try to staple it. It's too
But all.
hard.